Hello, doctor. I'm Ashwin Kumar here. I'm an agent for the National Insurance Company. Today, I would like to take few minutes of your valuable time in sharing an important information about the National Insurance policy on professional indemnity for doctors and medical practitioners, and also an additional information on the hospitals and the institutions. All those who are watching this video, who are doctors and medical practitioners, are also running your hospitals, nursing homes. This is an important video. I'm an agent from National Insurance. My cell number is 984919436. So today I would like to share an important policy. So I'm going to go through that. This policy is coming from National Insurance Company. It's a public sector undertaking, which you are aware of. It has started way back in 1906. So this policy basically covers the professional indemnity for doctors and medical practitioners. And any policy doctor that you take, kindly read the exclusions first. That is my humble suggestions, which you might be already aware of, but still it's my duty to share the info. So this policy provides indemnity for covering the insured's legal liability to your clients arising from negligent act, error or omission committed by the insured, breach of professional duty. The highlights of this is defense cost, fees and expenses shall be paid by the company subject to the limit of indemnity under the policy. Who can take this policy? Doctors, physicians, specialists, consultants, surgeons can take this policy. What is the coverage? This policy indemnifies the insured for legal liability to pay as damages, including legal cost and expenses, for bodily injury and or death of any patient caused by error, omission or negligence, wrongful act in professional services provided. Extensions, add-ons can be your unqualified staff may also be covered by collecting additional premium. What are the special conditions for this policy? Claims made policy. This actual claim made within this policy period and the occurrence of the loss cannot have happened before a retroactive date. So it should be in force. Territory and jurisdiction for the purpose of the policy will be defined in the policy. Amount expended by the insurer in defense settlement will reduce the limits of indemnity under the policy. The company may examine and audit the insured's books and records as they relate to the policy. What are the pre-acceptance requirements? It is duly filled proposal form and any other information which National Insurance Company would like to ask, kindly provide it. So this can help in having the policy. Next comes exclusions. Very important point. I'm just sharing that. The performance by dentists and dental surgeons of general anesthesia or any general procedure carried out under general anesthesia unless performed in a hospital are excluded. The second exclusion, use of drug for weight reduction. The third one, cosmetic plastic surgery, hair transplants, punch grafts, etc., excluding plastic surgical repair of a scar tissue being the result of previous surgery unrelated to cosmesis and plastic surgery in connection with burns or other traumatic injury. The next exclusion is genetic injuries caused by X-ray treatment, diagnosis or treatment, diagnosis with radioactive substances, and terrorism. This is about the professional indemnity for doctors and medical practitioners. The next important product which I'm going to share from the National Insurance Company is we got the next policy which we call it as professional negligence and errors and omission insurance policy. This is more or less the same. Just for the sake of it, I'm going to share the information with you. Professional negligence and errors and omission of insurance policy, medical establishments. The policy will compensate the insured in respect of any act committed by the professionals or qualified assistants engaged by medical establishment, which gives rise to any third-party legal liability. To protect, what are the highlights? To protect the insured in respect of any act committed by the medical professionals or qualified assistants engaged by medical establishments. What are the extensions and add-ons? Doctors wish to cover unqualified staff. The same may be allowed by charging additional premium. Radioactive treatment, these are add-ons. And the conditions, special conditions here are claims made policy. The actual claim must be made within the same period and the loss cannot have happened before retroactive date. Territory and jurisdiction for the policy will be clearly defined, and amount expended by the insurer in defense settlement will be reduced the limits of indemnity under the policy. Medical establishments shall be registered with competent authority as per local regulations. So this thing, who can take this policy? All hospitals, nursing homes, clinics are eligible to take this particular policy. Now, what is the coverage? This policy provides indemnity for insured's legal liability in respect of bodily injury and or death of any patient caused by alleged to have been caused by errors, omission, or negligence in professional services provided, or which could have been rendered by the insured or qualified assistants or any nurse or technician employed by the insured. Now, what are the exclusions here? Any conditions caused or by related to HIV, cosmetic plastic surgery, punch grafts, excluding plastic surgery repair of scar tissue being the result of previous surgery, unrelated to cosmesis, and plastic surgery in connection with burns or other traumatic injury. Genetic injuries caused by X-ray treatment, diagnosis or treatment, diagnosis with radioactive substances, and terrorism. These are the exclusions under the professional negligence, errors and omissions policy, especially targeted with nursing homes and hospitals. Now, coming to one more important policy which comes here, especially for the doctors, from the National Insurance Company. You can go to the website of nationalinsurance.nic.co.in, nationalinsuranceNIC.co.in for all the details. Now here we have got something called doctor package policy. In this doctor package policy, I'm going to share the details. Here the doctor package policy is basically has been designed to cover damage or loss of property or benefits specified or bodily injuries sustained by injured or partners, the directors or managerial staff or employees of the insured permanently working with the insured solely caused by negligence, omission or errors wherever the same was or may have been committed by the insured in his capacity or in his professional capacity as a medical practitioner as detailed below. The entire highlights has been given. It has got different section 1, section 2. All the details has been clearly listed. So kindly go to nationalinsuranceNIC.co.in. Under miscellaneous category, you got doctor's package policy. Full details are mentioned here for entire thing, burglary, any breakages and everything. Money transit, the entire information is here in this doctor's package policy. These are the highlights of the doctor's package policy. So National Insurance gives you doctor's package policy for directly for the doctors for the overall package, then professional indemnity policy for the nursing home in case of some events that has occurred, and also the professional policy for the doctors and the medical practitioners. These are the 3 policies that has been exclusively covered for the National Insurance Company. So in case you got any requirements or you would like to have an online chat with me, I am K. Ashwin Kumar. My mobile number is 98491-94366. I am the National Insurance Company agent here, and I reside at Rampalli, Secunderabad. So any information you would like to have an online chat with me, I'm available, doctor. So kindly get in touch with me such that your practice should not be disturbed and things stay home, stay healthy, which you are already aware of. Thank you. Jai Hind.